when faced with a broken screen on our beloved Samsung devices. Transferring data across platforms can quickly become daunting. This video serves as a complete guide to help users navigate the secret of using SmartSwitch with a broken screen. Part 1. Use SmartSwitch with broken screen for Samsung backup and restore. Install SmartSwitch on PC. Connect broken Samsung phone. Tap Allow, click Backup. Select Data, click OK. Wait, then tap OK. Install SmartSwitch on new phone. Connect new phone to PC. Launch SmartSwitch. Click Restore. Part 2. Backup Samsung with broken screen via SmartThings. Find. Install Device Manager on another Samsung device. Sign into Samsung account. Select broken screen phone. Tap Back Up to start. Follow on-screen instructions. Access backup later for setup or restore. Part 3. SmartSwitch with broken screen using memory card. Remove the SD memory card from your damaged Samsung phone. Insert the card into a card reader or directly into your PC running Windows. Transfer any desired files from the card. Copy these files to your new device as required. Part 4. Use SmartSwitch with broken screen using OTG adapter. Connect OTG cable to broken Samsung phone and USB mouse. Enter lock screen password with mouse. Enable USB debugging and MeTP. Connect phone to PC via USB. Open Windows Explorer. Access phone storage. Transfer files to PC for backup. Part 5. Transfer data from phone with broken screen to Samsung without SmartSwitch. If your smashed phone already trusts your computer or its USB debugging is on, be bold and opt for Mobikin transfer for mobile Win and Mac for a direct, fast, and secure transfer. How to transfer data to a new Samsung Galaxy phone with Mobikin transfer for mobile. Step 1. Run the software. Start by downloading and installing the free trial of the Transfer for Mobile utility. Once the installation is complete, open the program on your computer. Step 2. Create a connection. Connect both phones to your computer using USB. The tool will automatically detect the connected devices, and you'll see the transferable data. If the positioning of the source and target phones is incorrect, click the flip option. Step 3. Switch to your new Galaxy phone. Choose the types of data you wish to copy and click the Start Copy option in the center panel. This will begin transferring data from one device to the other promptly.